Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by matching hardware and conditions. Use Vivo's original charger and cable so the phone negotiates full wattage. Once done, confirm the battery temperature is in the safe range. Phones throttle when too hot or cold, so move to a cool spot if needed. Next, disable power saver and app background limits because the system can restrict fast charge functions. Then open Settings to continue. These prerequisites ensure the phone allows higher current and prevents automatic slowdown during the next steps. You now change the software options that permit higher current. Go to Settings, Battery, and toggle Fast Charging or High-Speed Charge on. This tells Vivo's firmware to accept the charger's full profile. If the option is hidden, enable Developer Options by tapping build number 7 times, then set USB configuration to charge or default to file transfer briefly to refresh negotiation. Once done, plug in the original charger and observe the fast charge icon or a noticeably faster percent per minute. You finish by optimizing charging conditions and checking for issues. For fastest fills, switch to airplane mode or power off so apps and radios don't generate heat. Heat reduces charging speed. If charging remains slow, swap to a known good original Vivo charger and cable to pinpoint hardware faults. If that fails, restart the phone, clear system cache, and remove thick cases that trap heat. One troubleshooting tip: if the phone refuses to fast charge despite all steps, try safe mode to rule out a rogue app interfering with power management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.